Assalamu alaikum. I'm sitting at Calgary airport, almost 10 o'clock. I'm going to Atlanta and I'm going to change over to Boston. And I'm going to arrive there about midday, starting another trip. And this will be only a month long. And hopefully it all goes well. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. What a chaos. So this is Atlanta airport, the human jungle. More the people, less friendly it is. I wouldn't advise to come through Atlanta next time. It was only a connecting flight, so I took it. But it's a transit airport, and my goodness, it's so busy and not very friendly. I don't think next time I'll be coming through Atlanta. Forget it. There are better places in the world to go through.
Finally, take a moment to read the safety information card in your seat pocket.
As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
Welcome to Boston. This looks a little more civilized than Atlanta. It's not too bad. Atlanta was a bad choice for my connecting flight. But anyway, I'm here in Boston, and very first thing you do when you get somewhere, very first thing you do is that thing. Let's go and get my luggage. When you arrive at Boston, you'll have to take a blue line get the direction to a bus called Blue Line, and then it will go all the way, and then they will tell you this is car rental place. Arrive at the car rental place, you will see all these terminals, all these counters, and you can go to any of them. You don't have to go to the one which you are booked with, and you get your car. The gentleman took my rental agreement and is giving me this car, so I can drive off. GPS all set. Well, there is no life in the big cities, I can tell you. Just traffic stress. So lucky that I got out of London many years, but here, look at this chaos. Here at Verizon, I've got a Verizon SIM card, so I can update it so that I'm in business. This is the last Costco along the Atlantic coast of USA in Maine. This is the only Costco in Maine, and from here to Canadian border there are no more Costcos, so I'm gonna do some grocery shopping. Lucky to find a Costco just before getting to Eastport, because that's still 4-5 hours journey. I hope everything will stay fresh. I'll go and turn my fridge on. Let's go.
The route guidance is now finished.
Okay, we have arrived at Deep Cove. A little bit late, but I requested for a ladder. So let's see. Goes this way. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. That's my beautiful machine. Oh, ladder is there. Excellent. And the train guy is there as well. 8:45 in the evening. Just arrived at my sailboat. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Everything is looking good. Things are looking good. Let me put my electricity first. Oh, I can connect my batteries now. Won't take very long, but let's put the fridge on first. Microwave, refrigerator. Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. Today is June 26, Wednesday. I'm here in Eastport, going to launch my boat on Friday in a couple of days. Just getting my propane filled for my cooking and stuff, my cylinder, and I'm gonna get some diesel for my boat for in and out of ports, and some petrol for my generators to make electricity. And there you go. It was not a very smooth journey, but it was very long and tiring journey from Calgary to Eastport. But I arrived safely last night. Yellow for the diesel, red for the petrol. Today is my fuel filling day.